Hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Najah Syakilah binti Zainal and this is my group mate, Nur Elia binti Ghazali, Nur Masyarah binti Padilla and Nur Hasina binti Razali. So for this group assignment, which is video recording 1, me and my partner Nur Elia binti Ghazali will present to you the answer for the questions of hedging with Fkli. So, this question discusses two investment funds which are Unicorn Dynamic Growth Fund and Unicorn China A Shares managed by Unicorn Asset Management. So, each fund has a distinct focus, which are Unicorn China A Shares focuses on the A Shares equity market in China. And it aims for long-term capital growth, and portfolio sectors include financial, industrials, IT, materials and communication service, each at 20% of the portfolio with an average beta of 1.29. So for the Unicorn Dynamic Growth Fund, it's focused on heavyweights in the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI, and it aims for medium to long-term capital appreciation with regular income, and the key sectors include financial, which are 30%, consumers product 20%, healthcare 20%, energy 15% and technology 15%. Okay, next for the key challenges and projections, the fund manager anticipates a 9 to 12% correction in the FBM KLCIs in question to 2025, citing global economic uncertainty, local market pressures and potential geopolitical impacts from the 2024 US elections. The risk management strategy in this question is hedging strategy is implemented using Fkli contracts. Next, future exposure is capped at 70% of the portfolio to mitigate risk from the projected decline while retaining growth potential. Next, current market context, which FPM KLCI have 1610 as of November 2024. Futures contract for FKLI example goes November 2024, 1610.5 March 2025, 1612.5 are being considered for the hedging strategy. For the hedging outcomes, the strategy's success will depend on how closely the future market aligns with the FPM KLCI by March 2025, factoring in a project decline of 19 points. So these questions generally ask us to calculate net effect after hedging on the Unicorn Dynamic Growth Fund only. Okay, so to answer this question, we have to provide two tables, which are cash market and futures market. So the first row is the TO, which is the TO for this question is November 2024. We have to provide three things in the cash market for the TO, which are intention, forecast and also spot index. So for the Unicorn Dynamic Growth Fund, the intention is to manage 500 million ringgit portfolio until March 2025, and the forecast is index will fall and the spot index is 1610. So next, for the futures market for TO on the November 2024, it sell 5,426 March 2025 at 1612.5 and to get the number of 5426, we have to make a calculation for the contract, number of contract. So to get the number of contract, which is 5426, we have to make a formula for number of contract, which is amount hedge divided with FKLI multiple 50 and then multiple beta. So 500 million ringgit multiples with 70% and divided by 1612.5, multiple 50 and multiple with 1.25. So we will get the number of contract, which is 5426. So for the second row, we have to put the futures contract, which is TM on March 2025. So we have to manage RM 500 million portfolio at March 1591 points. And for the futures market, we have to buy, since we just sell the contract on the November 2024. So in March 2025, which is in the futures contract, we have to buy it for 5,426, which is number of contract at March 2025 at 1591 points.
Next, I will continue the presentation. Then, we calculate the effect of decrease in index index in cash market position. The formula is P1 minus PO divided by PO and multiple with amount H and beta. For the effect of the decrease in index in cash market position, we got 7,375,776.40 ringgit Malaysia. In future market position, calculate the profit with formula selling price minus with buying price, multiple with number of contract, multiple with contract size. The profit that we got is 5,832,950 ringgit Malaysia. Weh, busuk tu kakak aku. Next, in order to know the portfolio value before hedge and after index drop, we use the formula amount hedge minus effect of decrease in index. The portfolio value before hedge is 492,624,223.60 ringgit Malaysia. Moreover, we calculate the net portfolio value after hedging, which known as net effect with the formula net proceeds, which is before hedge plus profit. The amount that we got is 498,457,173.60 ringgit Malaysia. Last but not least, to know the effective price before and after hedging. Without hedging, the index price is 18,155.79 points, while with hedging, the index price is 1837.29 points. With hedging, the loss of portfolio value by 7,375,776.40, which is reducing of portfolio value to 492,624,223.60 due to the falling index price is covered by the profit that made in the futures KLCI contract, which is 5,832,950 ringgit Malaysia. Thus, the portfolio is protected from the falling index price. Okay, I think that's all for our discussion group. Thank you for watching. Bye.